Okay, good morning. So this is a new topic to be discussed, another activity to be discussed today. So listen up for my video presentation. So on A1 in Excel, I've input the order ID, the customer name, the C1 is for the region, the sales amount, and followed by the order's date. For the two-row number 2, let's input the order ID 1001. That is to be followed at the 5. I guess so, 5. Oh, no, no, no. 102, 1003, 1004, and 1005. As for the customer name, let's say it's Ali Smith, Bob Jones, other years, Amanda Miller. Next is Charlie Brown. And the last one is the Arthur Van Dragon. So, regions should be west, east, west, south, and north. Okay, sales amount is 650 pesos to 50 pesos. Okay, 120. We have 800 and 450. As for the order's date, 2026, this is 01/15. Okay, so that is all for the step 2. And for the step 3 is format the column option vertical. Okay, for the column D, we should highlight. Mm, it is a year highlight of. Let's do manually. Highlight the manually. Okay, let this. Then format cells. Format. Where's the formats here? Cell style. No. Okay. Formula format. Format. Then. Mm, J. Where's the date? Then choose a date. Okay. Okay. That's for the column E. Oh, no, no. This for the column E pala. Sales, the format sales, we have the date. Okay, that's all. As for the next steps, we for the format D, this is a number. Format sales, this numbers. Okay, and so I guess step 3 is already been acquired. Okay, next is how to mimic SQL filter in Excel. So once the data is typed in, we can mimic the SQL queries from our sheets right inside the Excel. To use web region, West, click on the headers. This is the headers. Then go to the data. Data. Where's the data here? Okay, click the filter and okay, it is a filter. Okay, then uncheck it all, everything, and except for the west. Okay, and okay, to use order by sales amount, so click drop next to sales amount, then sort largest to smallest. Okay, so that's how we're going to do for the activity 4. Thank you for listening, guys.